We're about to go.
Ready?
Chugga chugga woo woo. Chugga chugga woo woo. Chugga chugga woo woo. Chugga chugga woo woo.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Arkansas Diamond Express. I'm going to ask y'all to please keep your hands, feet, arms, and legs inside the train at all times. And please remain seated while the train is in motion. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
Don't you go. Don't you go. Up I going. It wasn't too bad. Chugga chugga woo woo. What if we see Daddy on the ride? Did you hear that they killed the chicken? Jackie! Because the tiger escaped one night and then the tiger went into...
I not heard that.